Welcome back to Productions Made Easy. Thank you for stopping by. And thank you for your support. Sure you guys like, subscribe. Alright, let's get to it, baby. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up this MIDI region. And once you have your MIDI, once you have all your MIDI, once you've played all your MIDI and you're satisfied with it, the first thing you should do is quantize, okay? Gotta quantize your MIDI. You can select all of them and press Q, or you can select them and click on here and quantize, and you can also come over here and you can also quantize it here. So you got to do it on both. Don't just do it on here and not over here on the regions window, okay? So after you've done that, then you want to change the velocity of the notes, all right? Because you have to remember that when a piano player is playing, every note is not hit in the same velocity. It means another step we're gonna do is, since we have our piano roll, we have our MIDI region opened up right here. We're gonna go over to Q strength, and you're just gonna bring it down some. All right, and that should help same velocity, meaning he or she. Some notes are played soft, some notes is played louder than other notes. All right, so you got to keep that in mind. The next thing that you want to do is so once you change your velocity, you want the sound, you want whatever you've played to sound realistic. You don't want it to sound like it's just like a computer playing it. You know, you want it to sound like someone's actually playing the instrument that you've got. All right, so the next thing that I would suggest is for you to just change some of these expressions. All right, and you'll notice that they're not on the same. All right, this one's 91, and I'm gonna just let you guys hear it so you guys can kind of have an idea of what I'm saying. And the strings actually is a much better example, so I'm gonna play it right here so you see what I'm talking about. It's also important for you to modulate, especially on the trumpets or horns. All right, so you want to add a little modulation there. And how did I get this screen or this window on the bottom? You just press right up here, and that's the automation. And show or hide automation, or you could just click A. All right, now the next thing I want to show you guys is a few things that's in the functions tab. All right, now if you select all of your MIDI and you go to MIDI transform, there's quite a few options that you have. All right, you can have a fixed velocity, random pitch, a random velocity, a random pitch velocity or length. You can have it crescendo, you can scale 14-bit pitch, whatever that is. I've never used that before. But the most important one is humanizing. You want to make sure that the sound is humanized and it sounds like a human is actually playing it. And what you do is you just click on operate and operate only, and it's done its job for you. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. All right, let's get to it, baby.